Hi, welcome to Sonny's the Car Wash Factory. I'm Anthony Analetto, and today I'm here with Taylor Hutton, our product line manager for vacuums. We want to talk about a couple of new features we're about to release that I think are really going to improve your free vacuum experience. Your customers are going to love them. Taylor, tell them what we've done.
Thanks, Anthony. First, I'm going to walk you through the new Talon Vacuum tool. We've taken 20 years of experience helping deliver the best free vacuum in the industry, and we've put it all into one tool. So the Talon Vacuum tool is the ultimate in customer experience. It has a swivel connection, so it's not going to get bound when you're vacuuming through the vehicle. It also has a really long reach on it as well, so you don't have to reposition yourself too often. One of the massive things that you'll notice is it's got a very wide mouth. So when you're doing large sections of carpet, you can do so in less passes, but it's still got a very narrow mouth, so you can get into those hard to reach spots. With that customer experience, we wanted to make sure you had a good suction all the way through. So we do have these 2 breather holes in it, so it's not going to get stuck to the carpet to the point where someone can't move it. And it also keeps the air flowing, so we're constantly moving dirt out of it. Coupled with improving the durability of the tool overall, we're using industrial grade polypropylene, which also has the ability to wear down to these holes, and it will continue functioning as intended all the way to that point. What you'll also notice when you look at the Talon is there is a pin in the tool itself now, so it's going to prevent any clogs further along in the vacuum boom, and it's going to stop it right at the tip. So in the past we've had Gatorade bottle caps get stuck in the tip, or microfiber cloths, and now those are going to get stuck in a spot where the customer is going to be able to see that and clear it themselves, which is going to keep them cleaning and keep them happy. And it's going to save you some maintenance in the long run as well. The Talon also has a very unique dock. It is patented. It is aluminum casted, and it's got a really tight fit. So the beauty about that is right now the vacuum system's off. I can plug this in. It's not going to fall off. It's on there. And when the vacuum system is on, that tight fit is actually going to minimize any noise or whistling that you might have with other designs. So going from the Talon, we're going to then work our way up to the Sonny's Quick Disconnect. This is a 3-part system using a cam lock design. So first we've got the connector for the hose. What's really unique about this is actually mounts to the outside of the hose. It threads on, and it gives you a free-flowing experience. Inside the coupler, it's tapered, so you're not going to have any little edges for something to catch on. So if it gets through the Talon itself, it'll make its way through the rest of the system. And if for any reason you needed to shut down a lane, it does have a cap as well, so you can unplug your hose, put the cap in, and keep running your vacuum system. And the cam lock design makes it really easy to take these things and switch them around.
Yep. And then if you want to service one at a time, you can actually isolate this one here, let everybody else keep vacuuming and just service this one boom, maybe replace the hose, maybe replace the Talon, and then when you're done, put it back together again.
Exactly.
Yeah. Well, that's a real neat feature, Taylor. Thanks so much for sharing that with everybody. Appreciate that. Again, if you guys want to come get some more information about this information, you go to sonnysdirect.com or call one of our sales reps. And we'll be happy to help you take care of you and get you upgraded to improve that customer experience. As always, good luck and good washing.